Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Making planning your week more enjoyable and engaging can turn a mundane task into a fulfilling part of your routine. So, in order to do that, all you have to do is use a planner or a digital calendar with a weekly view. Seeing your entire week at a glance helps you grasp the big picture and plan more effectively. Try mind mapping techniques to visually connect ideas and tasks. Start with a central theme, example work, personal goals, and branch out with the associated tasks and activities. After that, define realistic goals for the week, break them down into a manageable task and milestones, then pair goals with rewards. Treat yourself to something enjoyable or relaxing once you accomplish a significant task or reach a milestone. Plan your week with a friend, partner, or colleague, share goals, exchange ideas, and motivate each other. So, by integrating these strategies into your weekly planning routine, you can transform it from a task into a fulfilling ritual that enhances productivity, creativity, and overall well being. Enjoy the process of planning and watch as it positively impacts your week ahead. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.